बाबला हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
अच्छा यहाँ बन रहा है बढ़िया चाय, लाल गुलाब चाय है।
तो बाबला इज प्रिपेयरिंग टी। कितने साल से चाय बना रहे हो बाबला?
वहाँ 6 साल से।
तो बाबला इज प्रिपेयरिंग टी फ्रॉम लास्ट 6 years।
यहाँ मछली बेचता है, वो मछली बढ़िया है।
बाबला कितने साल से आ रहे हो यहाँ पर सुबह?
हम सुबह 3 बजे भोर से आते हैं।
बाबला इज कमिंग डेली here at 3 a.m. morning. Try to learn first whatever you are doing in your regular life. In front of you, whatever you are looking, try to convert in sentences and try to think in English. Do not try to. Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Learning English. So happy new year all of you my viewers. So today is 1st January 2025. So regarding learning English, how you can speak English fluently. So regarding that, previously also I made by visiting different places how you can communicate with people, and depending upon the area where you are visiting, how you can speak by looking the things in front of your eyes. So today morning I have visited my local market. So behind me there is a tea shop. So morning time lots of people they used to visit here to have a cup of tea. So today I came here. My friend is there in front of me. He is shooting my video. So today I'll go there. I'll talk with them, and those they are initially they want to speak in front of anywhere. So many people they'll watch you. So they will gauge you in front of them if you are speaking English. So those they are learning English, so try to form small sentences. So here also I am going to give you practical demonstration in front of anywhere you are going, you are visiting, to try to speak whatever you are able to form the sentences. You do not mind how people will react, what they will think, how they will laugh, they will comment. So where I am, so this is Hindi belt area. So everybody they used to speak here Hindi. If I am speaking in front of them English, so you can see their reactions also. But leave about their reactions. Focus on your aim that you have to learn, you have to speak. So by visiting daily new places, at least try to form 10 to 12 to 15 sentences. So that will be useful, very useful by visiting different places. So backside these tea shops, so there I will visit there. I'll try to ask with him what is his name, what he is doing. So see how he replies, and in between I'll try to make a small sentences. At that sentences I'll try to share with you. So you will get idea and you will get guide how you can do yourself anywhere you are visiting. So in front of you it is a local market. From my home it is only half kilometer distance. Everybody early morning they used to visit here to have a cup of hot tea. So here is a tea shop, small tea shops. He is selling tea. Daily morning he is to visit here, and he is making tea here. From last so many years he is coming here. So he went that side to distribute tea. There are people there, they are standing, and here you can look downside some local fish he is selling. So it is local fish. So they brought this fish in this basket. This basket is made up of bamboo, and this fish is called rohu fish and katla fish. There are two type of fishes available here, and it is big in size. This fish is there, it is small in size. So like this you have to form sentences. There you can see he is cleaning fish by using metal brush. So there are scales on fish skin. There are scales in fish skin that is very hard. that is not edible. We cannot eat. So that's why it is required to clean fish skin properly, then you can eat it. So like this, he is cleaning this fish scales, and after that he is going to cut this fish in small pieces. The device he is using to cut the fishes, that is called hasua. In this area is this device people they are calling, it is called hasua, and this is called, he is weighing fishes. This it is called taraju, weighing balance, it is called taraju. It is very old type of old kind of balances, still people are using it regularly. There also you can see some vegetable, those they are villager, they are coming from different villages. So today is 1st January, so nobody is here, only few, 1 and 2 they are sitting here to sell the vegetable. That side some more they are sitting over there. Otherwise daily it is full of, from there to here you will get at least 10 to 12 vegetable hawkers. They used to sell daily fresh vegetables. So people they are coming here. Today it is 1st January. They are buying fish to cook, to eat, and to celebrate New Year. So I am trying to speak slowly. Why? Because you can understand and you can form the sentences. So he purchased fish, that fellow that is in black jacket, and he went. Next person, this fellow blue t-shirt, he is trying to buy some fish, and this person name is Babla, who is tea seller. He is also trying to buy some fish for New Year. So he is this is his tea shop. बाबला हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.
अच्छा यहाँ बन रहा है बढ़िया चाय, लाल गुलाब चाय है.
तो बाबला इज प्रिपेयरिंग टी. कितने साल से चाय बना रहे हो बाबला?
हाँ 6 साल से.
तो बाबला इज प्रिपेयरिंग टी फ्रॉम लास्ट 6 years.
यहाँ मछली बेचता है, वो मछली बढ़िया है.
बाबला कितने साल से आ रहे हो यहाँ पर सुबह?
हम सुबह 3 बजे भोर जाते हैं.
बाबला इज कमिंग डेली हियर एट 3 AM मॉर्निंग. और कितने बजे चाय बेच के जाते हो?
9 बजे जाते हैं.
आफ्टर सेलिंग टी ही यूज्ड टू गो होम एट 9 AM मॉर्निंग. तो डेली हाउ मेनी कप यूज टू सेल टी? बाबला कितना कप चाय बेच लेते हो?
कप तो गिनती नहीं है, मुझे 6-7 किलो.
Okay, he did not tell how many cups he used to sell tea, but he used to make up to 6 to 7 kg of milk he is using for making tea, and he is selling regular tea. बाबला कितने में चाय बेचते हो?
5-10.
तो बाबला is selling tea 5 rupees in a small cup and 10 rupees in glass cup. So that he is giving tea that cost 10 rupees in glass and 5 rupees in cup. So you can see it is early morning time, 7 o'clock morning now, and people regularly they used to visit here to have a cup of hot tea, because he is only vendor here or seller here who used to sell daily morning tea. So like this, try to visit different places. Yesterday I visited daily morning, I used to go for morning walk. So yesterday I went City Park, there I visited, and I explained in front of you. Whatever you are looking, try to convert in sentences and try to think in English. Do not try to translate from Hindi to English. If you will keep on translating Hindi to English, then you cannot speak English properly and fluently. So like this, you have to make your mind, you have to prepare yourself. So today daily I used to visit here after walking. Daily I will come here. My friend will have a cup of tea. I do not drink tea, only I drink milk, and I used to eat curd. So like this, you have to visit different places. Try to visit different places. If you are going mall, so whatever you are able to watch in mall, that try to translate it. So I'll try whenever I will be able to visit. I'll able to shoot video. I'll be able to make video. There I'll visit. So today almost I have created more than 20 sentences. So like this, it will be very useful. So while shooting or making video, people they were looking me what he is doing. So I was making video, that people know I used to make video. So that was normal for me. For those they want to start in front of anyone, they want to speak English, so do not get hesitate. Be normal and be whatever you want to do. Keep focus on your work, your learning, and daily try to speak 10 small sentences. You are going outside, they are understanding, they are not understanding, it does not matter to you. Like this you have to keep in your mind. So like this same practice, if you will keep on doing regularly 30 days, so definitely you will see lots of difference in your learning. Your confidence will increase, you will be more confident, you will be more happy, and meanwhile you have to increase your vocab also and word power also. So next day I'll try to visit some other places, and there also I'll make few sentences how to make whatever you are able to watch in front of you, what is there, which places you are going mela, you are going hospital, you are going mall, you are going market, you are going friend house, anywhere. So like this, why I am telling like this, because while learning English, try to learn first whatever you are doing in your regular life. So like that you can learn English. So related to that, you have to memorize word, related to that you have to form sentences and try to memorize. Means I want a cup of tea. Like this, if you memorize for 10 times you will repeat, 20 times you will repeat, 50 times you will repeat, you will memorize very easily. So easily next time you can tell, I want cup of tea, I am going for market, I am going to market to buy some vegetable, I am going to market to buy some vegetables. So like this you can share the things. So today I have shown that these tea shops, so and that one fish seller, he was selling fishes, local fish he brought from ponds, he was selling fish. So next day I will visit the vegetable shops, so you can remember the vegetable name, and while purchasing vegetables how you can form sentences like that I'll share in my next video. So I think today's session will be quite helpful for you. I'll meet you in next session. Up to that, bye bye.